Next, Maxwell equation for time varying electromagnetic field. So we have discussed about the Maxwell equation for static or stationary electromagnetic field. So these are the four Maxwell equations in integral and in point form for static or stationary electromagnetic field. Okay, now discuss about the Maxwell equation for time varying electromagnetic field. Okay, so here all the four equations are not changed, but these two equations, second and fourth equations, are changed for time varying electromagnetic field. First and third equation remains as it is. Okay, so now let us discuss time varying electromagnetic field Maxwell equation. So first, as we have discussed, the first equation is remains same. Okay, so in integral form and point form. So first equation is remains same, which is known as Gauss law. It is integration d dot ds is equals to q, and in point form it is del dot d is equals to rho v, which is volume charge density. Second equation is changed. Okay, according to the Faraday's law that we have discussed, what is del cross E? Del cross E is equals to minus del B by del T. According to the Faraday's law, it is del B by del T. Okay, so in integral form, the equation is integration E dot dl is equals to minus integration del B by del T into ds. Okay, I will just convert it. I will just apply the Stock theorem. I have to convert the closed line into the surface. So here it is del cross E into ds. So I have to just put del cross E is minus del B by del T. So this equation is come. Third equation is remains as it is, as we have seen here. Only second and fourth equation are changed for time varying electromagnetic field. So now the third equation is integration B dot ds is equals to 0. So here it is del dot B is equals to 0. It remains same. And the fourth equation is also changed, which is Ampere's circuital law, integration H dot dl is equals to I. Okay. But as we have seen in displacement current density theory, what is del cross H? Del cross H is not only conduction current density, but it is a addition of conduction current density with displacement current density. So del cross H is equals to Jc plus Jd. So what is Jc? Jc is sigma E. And what is Jd? Jd is displacement current density, which is due to the electric flux density, time varying electric flux density del D by del D. Okay, so that is why integration H into dl is IC, conduction current, and with displacement current, IP. Okay, so these are the four Maxwell equations for time varying electromagnetic field.